one second. There is a prism like this, right? And this is, you said incident ray. This is the normal. This is the incident ray. This is angle of refraction. This goes like this. This is R1. This is R2. So it comes out. This is angle of emergence. This is R2. And when we match this, and this is angle of, this is angle of prism, right? So when we take, this is P, this is if I take, this is P, this is Q, this is R, so this is in this quadrilateral, this is of 90 degree, this is of 90 degree. So we get how much? Angle A plus 90 degree plus angle R plus 90 degree is equal to 360 degree, right? Why it is? Because this hole is what? This hole is a quadrilateral, right? This hole is a quadrilateral, so this 90 gone, you get 180, right? So you get angle R, is equal to 180 minus, we write angle A is equal to 1 minus angle R. Okay. Now if you take this triangle, so there is R1 plus R2 plus angle R is equal to 180 degree, right? And angle R is how much?
180 minus angle.
Again. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of prism plus angle of deviation plus angle of, angle of, right? So this is what we can write here, angle R1 plus angle R2 we wrote it wrong here. Angle R is equal to minus angle A, right? So you can write here plus 180 minus angle A is equal to 180 degree. So 180 degree and 180 degree is cancelled and this comes here. So angle R1 plus angle R2 is equal to angle A, right? So this is angle of prism, and you know that angle you already know that angle I plus angle E is equal to angle of deviation. This is angle of deviation plus R1 plus R2. So we can write this is angle of deviation, right? Angle of deviation plus angle of prism. This is the whole derivation we have, na? So where is R minus R2? Oh, you get that? No way, man. तो वो तो कट नहीं, फिर तो it is presumed to be कट होना ही होना है वो तो. लेकिन तुम तो कह रही थी इट इज नॉट इन योर सिलेबस, प्रूविंग इन नॉट इन योर सिलेबस।
सर मेरा तो फिर उन्होंने दे दिया,
तुमने पढ़ा ही नहीं होगा।
मैंने सिर्फ फॉर्मूला लिख दिया तो उन्होंने बोला कि उसी पे नंबर दे देंगे।
तो फार्मूला तो यू नोट करेक्ट ना।
बस वो माइनस कर दिया था, लेकिन फिर
अबे तुम्हें फार्मूला तो ये लिखना है ना,
उन्होंने बोला था कि वो पूरा लिखना तो उस पे नंबर दे देंगे।
इस वाले पे।